If you're a cat owner, you need to know this. Making your cat laugh is possible and oh so rewarding. Stick around for some perfect tips. Seeing your furry friend happy is the best feeling in the world. While cats don't laugh like us, their joy shines through in their behavior, purring, chirping, and kneading. So how do you make your cat laugh? Here are 10 fun tricks. Grab that feather wand, it's a classic for a reason. Watch them pounce after a laser pointer but always end with a tasty treat. Let them dive into a mini ball pit for some chaotic fun. Food puzzles, absolutely, they stimulate their minds. Hide treats around the house for a scavenger hunt. And a little catnip? Oh, the zoomies are real. Interactive toys and cardboard boxes are must-haves. Dangle a string or blow some cat-safe bubbles. For safe playtime, always supervise, use safe toys, and keep sessions short and sweet. So, go ahead, make your cat laugh and enjoy those special moments together.